I understand you when you say I have a lot of envelopes and I don't know where to place them, what to do with them, because I don't want to throw them away. Envelopes come in different colors, different sizes, from different people in different occasions. So they pile into your stash or around your desk and you don't know how to organize them and how to keep them in place. And believe me, you are not the only one collecting envelopes from Happy Mail, from people, from friends, from any occasion, any circumstances, from any color, for a lot of shapes, a lot of topics or themes. And you don't know how to organize them and how to them in one place of an easy access and of an enjoyable moment. So today in this episode, I'm gonna show you how to keep your envelopes from a pen pal. For example, this is my case, inside a cover. I'm recycling this cover I had around my stash, and let's begin because I cannot wait to show you this idea. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna make an accordion and use cardstock. So your accordion is sturdy enough to hold in place all the envelopes. What you're gonna need is a cover in the case that you wanna do exactly what I'm doing in this video. Make an accordion. I made it from scrapbook paper that is kind of a little bit more sturdy than common paper, so you can use the same. So make the accordion and you decide what size do you want it to be. I recommend you this size, 1 inch, and on the other side is 0.7 inches. So 1 inch and then 0.7 inches or 3/4 of an inch. So, and then you're gonna fold it. This is easy. Anybody can do this. And now that you have your accordion, it's important to measure, to try. Testing about having the accordion on one end of the envelope, on one corner. But then I realized that it was better to have it here in the center. What are the advantages of these methods for keeping your envelopes organized and as a memorabilia? And you can show them to people, you can have it for you and you can like go through them every time you want, is that with this method you can open your envelopes even when they are attached to something. And you can see they lay flat, so I can always go here and take out what is the content of that envelope. In this case is a little note. In this case, she used to place me a panda bear, is a little letter. And sometimes I have details. One day I got a snowflake, for example, this, you see. And so it's a good way for me to keep these good memories in here. So they lay flat. This is futuristic 3030. I hope we can be around making videos. Now I'm gonna do the second pile I have because I want it to be down here. So I'm gonna have double of the envelopes. Or if you see here, if I open it, this is gonna open up, and so I can still have both piles attached to the same place. And once I want to scroll on this one, I can go like so, and this is not gonna interrupt with the ones up here. I didn't pile it all together because this was going to be too thick and I already have a spine here. I don't want to destroy that spine. In other words, I don't want to make a new spine. So I'm recycling these agendas cover just the way it was. So, and I decided I want this in the center. So as you can see, I was testing and I used clips to see how the mechanism worked. So this is like showing you backwards. And so now I'm going to show you the accordion. And this is the accordion, 1 inch times 0.7 inches. And you're going to have as many folds as envelopes you have, plus an extra two ones that are going to be this here that is going to be glued to the back of the cover or the cardboard, whatever you are using. As we are doing this here in the video, I want to work with my glue gun because I want to make sure that I can have them dry for the video, so I don't have to wait till they get dry. This is water glue, but today I'm going to be using my glue gun. Now let me show you how are you going to do it. So once you have your accordion, make sure that you glue your envelopes, and I'm going to show you how. You're going to leave two flaps of your accordion because this is going to be glued in here, and that will be the envelope in the bottom, and then every one another flap you glue an envelope. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, and that will be for another yes. In this case, I don't have any one in here. I just finished gluing here, you see? It's really, really easy. So let me explain it. Let me show it to you again. So let's start from here. So I have the accordion on top of my desk, and you arrange your envelopes following yes, no. So leave two, glue envelope empty, glue envelope empty, glue an envelope empty, glue an envelope empty, glue an envelope empty. This gives you this shape. And then remember that you're gonna glue it this way. This is going to be the surface going in here, and remember we need two empty spaces, these to attach and these to extend. I'm going to do it in a moment. And then your upper part is going to be where the envelope opens, so this allows you to open your envelopes nice and flat and take away and take out and in the content of your envelope. So let's glue it so you can see how it is in the end. As I said, I'm using the glue gun because I want to finish the work in the video or during the video, and I don't and I want to show you the movement, so I cannot do this with water glue because that is going to last more time to dry out. Okay, actually this agenda was the perfect size, you see, so I have it there. I'm gonna cut this because I don't have any other envelope of the same person and nature and purpose, and this is more or less what I have. So let's see how the mechanism works. So I'm gonna check the upper part. I can open my mail and keep everything in place, and I can also open the bottom and then keep in and out my stuff I have here. You can close your agenda and have everything kept nice and safe.
I want to bring it closer so you can take a look again at this amazing idea that's going to help you to be organized. If you like this video, leave me a thumbs up. Comment down below, what do you usually do with your envelopes? Do you collect them? Where do you keep them? How do you organize them? Let me know in the comments. And I want to see you soon in my next creative episode.
We're gonna also do something on the decoration of this front cover.
So make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and bye, friends. Bye bye. Take care.